What's up YouTube? Welcome back to another video on Mr. Junior Dev. I just wanted to give you guys a quick update on the website that I'm building to launch my courses for you guys. So let's just have a quick look at what I'm doing. Right guys, so this is my new website, mrjuniordev.com, and as you can see I'm busy with the design, the layout, and yeah, this is a little bit of my backstory. I'm going to quickly read it out for you guys. My name is Fabio Souza Freitas. I'm a freelance developer originally from Bloemfontein, city located within central South Africa. I attended Grey College. Thereafter, I worked in different fields ranging from retail, human resources, distribution, and IT. I moved to the United Kingdom and now work remotely from home on popular websites such as People Per Hour, Fiverr, and Upwork. I have completed several online courses through institutions such as Coursera, Code Academy, Clever Programmer, and Michigan University, as well as certification in Google Analytics and Harvard University's CS50. I hope to take all of you along with me on this exciting journey. So that is just a bit of my background. Okay, I've got my company's name here, top left hand corner, and then I've got my store, library, about, contacts, and then my profile pic. Um, as soon as you sign in, it will actually show your profile picture, your Google profile picture. And then I've got my courses here: HTML, full stack, basics of web design, CSS, cascading style sheets, full course, JavaScript, full stack. I've got the C and C++ full courses. I've got the Python full course as well. And yeah, as I said before, and this is my new logo. If you guys haven't seen it before, MJD stands for Mr. Junior Dev. I hope you guys liked it. I only recently launched it. And yeah, let's head over to the second page of this website. As you can see, this is the second page, also very nicely done, nice styling, a nice gray background with a nice opaque blue. I'm still busy designing it. Yeah, I'll let you guys know when my website is up and running. So if you guys are interested in purchasing one of my courses, then yeah, I'll keep you guys updated. I'm going to be launching some crash course videos online, and then the full courses I'll leave on the website and for you guys to decide what you would like to do. Alright guys, thanks so much. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. You found this content valuable and engaging. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and see you guys in the next one. Peace.